So look what I got. Bam. I got an upgrade from my AirPod 2s. I had the AirPods and I had the AirPod 2. Now I have the AirPod Pro, which I thought was going to be called AirPod 3, but it's called AirPod Pro, AirPods Pro. I got it from Costco, the same place I got my other AirPods from. This was $234, I think, and it came with tax $255. I've been waiting to unbox this. I've been waiting just to do this video, so I've had this for like almost a week, and I'm ready. I'm so ready. Oh, look at that. Whoa, looky. Oh, you know what I always forget? Look, on the bottom it says pull for earplugs, whatever. So over here it comes with the earplugs. You could pick 2 different sizes. I don't know if it's 3 different sizes or 2 different sizes. There's 2 different sizes over here, and it comes with a charging wire. Wait a minute. What kind of charging wire is this? Ah, look at this. It's a USB-C. It's not the USB. Ah, I don't have a USB-C charger. Like, you know, the box. Literally, let me Face ID myself. Oh, look at this. Immediately. Okay, finally, it's updated. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed, my glasses switched is because while I was waiting for this nonsense to update, I had the Zenni Optical glasses review. So I have my aviators, silver aviators on. Now I have these. If you want to see that video, I'll put a link down in the description box below. So let me go ahead and check these out. Wow, these are so interesting. Oh my gosh, these are so different from obviously the stems are shorter, very much shorter, like a little bit more than half. I'm going to go put these in my ear. I think these are the mediums. So they start with the mediums. Let's see if these fit in my ear. Okay, wow, when you put them in, it starts by having this pressure and then it releases, because it has these grills on the outside that make the pressure go away. And I feel like I'm when I'm talking right now with these AirPods on, hold on, let me just tap. Hello. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so all right, now I can hear myself a little bit better. And then when I press it again, it's like noise cancellation almost. And this is with me not hearing anything. So wow, I'm gonna put on a song. Hello. Hello. Wow, I can't really hear myself with this noise cancellation too much. Now I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Wow. Okay. Whoa. I was probably like crazy. I probably look crazy. Okay, I'm back. I just came from down the block and I went out for the first time with my AirPods Pro. I feel like it feels secure. Like it feels secure. This I didn't change the ear tips, the silicone pieces. It's stuck on medium, what it came with. And I feel like they're a little bit too big for me, but they're okay. I'm gonna give a small a try because I feel like this is a little bit too big. So I'm going to go ahead and take a small. I guess it doesn't matter left or right. and I'm gonna, okay, that was easy. It just clicked on. So now these are small. I'm going to try them. They feel a little bit more better. Ear tip fit test. Check the fit of your AirPod ear tips to determine which size provides the best seal and acoustic performance. That's kind of awesome. So we're gonna do that right now. So let's press it. Thank you for subscribing. Who is that? Let me shout you out. Maria, thank you for subscribing, Maria. Wow, you subscribed to me right in the middle of my video. So shout out to you, Maria. Oh my gosh, this is taking forever. Am I impatient? All in all, besides that not working for me at the moment, I'm gonna try it next time. All in all, I ended up, well, my thing's moving. All in all, I came to the conclusion that I need a small ear tip. I mean, it doesn't fall out. I feel like it's more secure, so I need a small ear tip. I mean, I feel like as of now, they're worth the upgrade. As of now, they're worth the upgrade. And obviously, you gotta get the case before you get the AirPods. Because you don't want to, oops, just throwing stuff. You don't want to damage it, this expensive piece of thing. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give a like and subscribe to me so you can see more of my new videos that I'm going to be putting for the whole winter. You know, let's make 2020 good, you know what I'm saying? Thank you to all my subscribers who subscribe to me. I have over 1K subscribers now and I feel so awesome and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Makes me happy. All your nice comments make me happy. I appreciate it and I enjoy making these videos and I plan to do much more videos for you guys so I can add to the community. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.